Hazrat Urwa states that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, when the Muslims immigrated towards Ethiopia, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu started preparing for it as well. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said to him, you should stay here, for I hope that I will be granted permission to do so. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu submitted, may my father be sacrificed for you. Do you hope to immigrate? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu stopped himself for accompanying the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he then had 2 mounts. He continued feeding them on the leaves of summer for 4 months. Urwa narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, one day at noon we were sitting at home. A reporter told Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had come covering his face, though he would not come to us at this time. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, may my father and mother be sacrificed for over him. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam might have come at this hour of time for some special task. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and sought the permission, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was given the permission. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then entered, and no sooner did he enter than he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, send the other away from you. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my father be sacrificed for you. They are the members of your family. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, I have been permitted to emigrate. He submitted, may my father and mother be sacrificed for you. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shall I accompany you? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. He again submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may my father and mother be sacrificed for you. You may take one of these 2 mounts. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on cost. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, we started packing the journey accoutrements for them both and filled a leather bag with the provisions for both of them. And Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, cut a piece of her drawstring and fastened the mouth of that leather bag. That's why she was styled as the possessor of 2 drawstrings. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr reached a cave called the Sore Cave, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam spent 3 nights therein, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, the grown-up and intelligent son of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, would stay the night there with them. He early in the morning reached the Quraysh in Makkah Mukarramah, and thus he would be with them as if he had spent the night there in Makkah Mukarramah. When he heard anything special, returned it and notified them of it at night when the darkness had fallen. Amir bin Fuhaira, the slave freed by Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, would graze the goats whole day long by them and come to them to give them milk at the time of the Isha prayer, with which they both passed the night, and at dawn, when still it was dark, he would drive the goats out of Makkah and graze them around. In short, he did so for 3 nights. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5807.